Busted. Today, Ghost Ninja. Start this one out with a white line race, except it's going to turn green before I stop. Yep. Woo! We found neutral. Yikes. You know what? I'm going to make sure your bike gets a little dirty today.
Clean? I mean, look at that.
Dirt don't hurt, just makes it faster. All that chrome. I think you guys are gonna be interested in the place that we're going to today. We're gonna stop up here a little bit and we'll talk a little bit about it. You smell antifreeze?
Yeah, a little bit.
You do smell antifreeze?
Yeah.
Oh, it's just the cologne of the bike. All this chrome, man. There's millions of dollars in this parking lot. Cool, thank you. I like that, dude. Look at this. Out of all the bikes, I like this one. Dude, whoever owns this, dude, he enjoys it. That's for sure. Good for you, buddy. Good for you. Suicide shifter and all. It's crazy how peaceful and quiet it is opposed to where we were just at.
It's really loud over there.
Bikes and crazy music. Cooks is fun, man, but not for intros. Ghost Ninja, dude, welcome back, dude. I love having you in the videos.
It's been a while.
It's always fun. You know what we're gonna do today?
Food.
We are food, you know that. But no food challenge. We're gonna eat pizza. We're gonna eat good pizza though. It's called Grimaldi's Pizza. It originated in Brooklyn, and a few years back they opened a place up in El Segundo, California, and I've been wanting to try it, and I figured today is that day. Are you good with pizza?
I'm definitely good with pizza.
My man.
I need some good pizza in my life.
So you got a new bike, dude. What is GSXS 750?
She's pretty.
I like it, man.
Yep.
Ghost Ninja. Oh, you might have noticed I don't have a mirror anymore. Yeah, that thing finally fell apart. Uh-oh. Dude's starting to have a yard sale. What is happening here? Never seen any of that before. Somebody dumped a whole bunch of tires down there. That sucks. Why would you do that? Irvine Lake is still closed. Really, it's such a waste. From what I understand, it's a big conflict from the people that own it, manage it, and the city. People should be on that lake enjoying it, taking their kids out fishing, camping. Bummer. Everybody's waving at me today, man. Everybody's in a good mood. I like that. Keep it positive, people. You know, they used to have a Bitcoin ATM machine here.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Pay with Bitcoin.
It used to be right there. Something about Fiji water. Oh, you know what? Fuck it, I'm doing Red Bull. Yeah, Red Bull. Oh, sorry about that. Hi, how are you? Good, just that.
We'll be right back.
That's dirty, man.
That's tiger blood right there. We'll get you some of that by the end of the day. Want to bet lunch? All right, here we go. For lunch. Oh. What? Oh. That just cost me lunch. That's all right. I was going to buy lunch anyway. Hey, you want to skip Grimaldi's Pizza and hit Boston Market?
I've just never had it.
Oh, geez. Next time. You got to come back soon.
So is it like Quizno, Subway?
It's just like Thanksgiving dinner.
Oh.
Grimaldi's Pizza. I'm excited about this. First time I had Grimaldi's Pizza was in Arizona, my uncle's favorite place. I had no idea that there were multiple locations. Super happy to find out there's one in California within range. Scoots! That scared the shit out of me. Grimaldi's Pizza. This is gonna be a winner. I know it. Like I said, I've had the pizza before in Arizona. I thought it was amazing. So I'm assuming it's gonna be the same. I should also mention that Grimaldi's is so particular on preserving the recipe from their first location in Brooklyn that they set the pH balance for all the locations to match Brooklyn's water. So if you're looking for New York style pizza, this could be it. We'll see. On my way, Prius. Good looking bike. A lot of nice bikes. MV Augusta, man. Right on. Every one of those bikes went by super clean, man. They probably laughed at me when I went by. Whatever. I guarantee I have more fun on this than they have on theirs. All together. I'm going to dedicate this part of the ride to the lovely patrons of the channel. You guys are the best. But you already know that. I tell you all the time. You guys help keep this dream alive, that's for sure. I kind of had some reservations about going to eat pizza on this channel. If you guys go back and watch any of the old pizza videos from this channel, I haven't had the best of luck. I don't know. I just got high hopes, guys. I just got high hopes for this place, and I don't want to be disappointed. I feel like the pizza places that I go to on this channel, they all kind of suck. I've never had good luck. Hopefully Grimaldi's is the Grimaldi's that I remember. .644 Honda. Dude, let's give that dude a congrats, man. He's having a baby. I'm a little sketched out to be riding on the freeway, to be honest. Yesterday, Jaeger Troop and I were in the truck. We were coming back from our race at Glen Helen. I looked to the right. There's a Honda Civic spinning. We're doing like 60, 70 miles an hour. It was coming right at the truck. I was like, hold on, it's gonna hurt. Somehow we got by it and smashed into the freeway wall behind us. We were in the carpool lane. There was a motorcyclist behind us too. Somehow he came out unscathed. I didn't like that at all, man. That kind of shook me up. I almost didn't ride today because it was so fresh in my mind. But yeah, show must go on, right? Which reminds me, guys, I've been releasing videos on this channel every Monday uninterrupted for what, 5 years? 5 years I haven't missed an upload. Huh? Not bad. I'm dedicated to this. And I'm dedicated to you guys, man. I really appreciate you guys watching these videos. I have a lot of fun making them. I mean, it's work. Don't get me wrong, man. It's a grind. I don't make hardly any money. I really don't. YouTube makes it almost impossible to survive. But I grind it out. I have to buy my own health insurance. I don't have a 401k. I got to do all that shit. Yeah. No, this legit is a grind. What's up, Mr. Ducati? Sick bike. I like that thing. Busted. Passed by a Prius. I didn't like that. I'll pass him up right here. Not only will I pass that dude up, but I'm gonna pass this dude up too. As long as I got some room. I'm making my room. Get out of my way, Prius. I think it's in here. Or not. I think I screwed up. Shake Shack, come on. In and out is still better. I don't care what you guys say. There it is. Oh. Shit. Okay. Already got a complaint. Parking sucks. I don't know, dude. I don't want to park in the garage.
was a long freeway ride.
All right, Grimaldi's, let's eat.
Oh man. That's delicious.
Ghost Ninja, Grimaldi's. What'd you think, dude?
That was a good call, man. That place was delicious.
Top 5, top 10, where are we at?
Top 5 for sure.
For sure. I haven't had good luck with pizza places on my channel at all. And this one, yes. It was about an hour ride here.
Worth it.
Way worth it. You know, it wasn't overpriced. You know, the place was super nice. It'd be a great place to bring a date, your wife, your girlfriend, boyfriend, or whatever it is that people are into these days. We got a 16-inch pizza, cheese pepperoni, extra cheese, 2 beers, and it came out to 33 bucks.
That's super cheap.
I'm okay with that. Yeah. I'm not going to end the video here. We're going to ride around a little bit more. You're going to ride old shitbox? Yeah. All right. We'll Don't let her get away from you, man. She's a monster. Woo-wee! Woohoo! Snappy. Ah, I like the pops. Oh, this bike's great. So smooth. I bet Ghost Ninja hates my bike. Without a doubt he does. I'm still into the full fairing bikes though, so I'd never buy it. I don't mind riding one every now and then. I feel like there's a cop just sitting around waiting for people to go fast down this road because it's just such a perfect road to go fast on. This bike might be faster than mine. I think it is. Something about pulling out in front of a bus. You just don't want to do it. I don't. If you guys aren't already subscribed to that dude, do yourself a favor. He's one of the good ones, man. So I'm glad to know that guy. I wish he lived closer. We'd ride a lot more. I'll have a link to his channel in the description of this video. Can we talk about Grimaldi's Pizza for a minute? Dude, that place is amazing. Do yourself a favor. Get on Google, find the nearest Grimaldi's, and make the journey. This is a mess. I feel pretty vulnerable right now. Never makes sense to me. This is the carpool lane. It's supposed to be moving faster than this. It always gets so backed up over there. I've been caught into that nonsense so many times. No more though. I learned my lesson. I hope somebody lost their job over that shit. Again, awesome day riding around Ghost Ninja. That dude is great. Much love to all the patrons of the channel. You guys help me keep the dream alive. And if you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't yet. Make sure you subscribe. If you aren't aware yet, I do have a second channel. It's all dirt bike stuff. Lots of crashes. Pretty good rider on a street bike, but not so much on the dirt. So go over there, check it out. You might be into it. Check out my website at SuburbanDelinquent.com. I'm always adding new stuff there. Stickers, shirts, hats, key tags, that sort of thing. Also making these videos possible are the channel partners. We got LUIMOTO, we got Voss Helmets, Chaparral Moto, law offices of Henry Haddad. All I ask is that if you're considering any of their services or products, consider them first. I appreciate it, and I know they would too. Catch you guys later. Love you.